Welcome. I'm glad you're here. Let's take a few gentle minutes for your lower back, because it doesn't always need more rest. Often it just needs the right movement. I'm Bastian. Face me, mirror my movements, and together we'll gently free your lower back. We begin in stillness, Jian Chuang. Feet about shoulder width, knees soft, your arms resting, and your eyes gently closed. Let your shoulders soften and your weight settle evenly into both feet. Breathe down into the belly, slow and low, and let everything quiet. Bring your attention to your lower back and simply arrive. Now we wake the body, joint by joint. Start with the neck. Let your chin drop and roll it slowly through the front, side to side, never back. Then the shoulders, roll them forward. Keep your breath slow and low in the belly. And then change direction. Now fingertips to one shoulder and circle the elbow, one way. Then change direction. Let the breath lead the movement. Switch to the other arm and do the same. Then change direction. And finally, both arms together until a soft wave rises through your whole body. Then change direction. Soften your arms and let them feel light. Now we loosen the elbows. Bring the arms in front of you and circle the arms inward and outward. Then change direction. We continue with the wrists. Hands in front of you. Interlace the fingers and circle the wrists. Then change direction. Now move down to the hips, drawing slow circles each way. Then change direction. Feel your feet rooted and your weight sinking down. Then the knees, small and gentle. And change direction. And last, the ankles, lifting each heel to circle, both ways. Then change direction. And switch. Keep your breath natural and your jaw soft. And now we finish. Breathe in and open your hands out to the sides. Breathe out and gather them home to your center. Now we continue with the wave. Bring your hands to your hips. Gently from the feet up, let a wave begin to rise, traveling all the way to the crown of your head. Then slowly the wave returns. The knees soften and the upper body folds gently forward. Breathe in as the wave ripples upward. And breathe out as it rolls back down. Repeat a few times, slow and easy. Keep the crown of your head reaching toward the sky. Breathe into the belly, soft and deep. Now we move into Dragon Whips its tail. Again, from your lower body, let the ripple begin to rise and let your arms follow it upward. The hands float up, past the ears. The palms turn outward and the chest opens wide. Then the arms drift forward again and softly down to the hips. Breathe in as the wave rises and the chest opens. Breathe out as the arms float down. Let the shoulders stay soft and let it move like water. Your breath deep and low. Repeat a few times. Keep your knees soft, never locked. Stay present with each movement. There's no rush. Move slowly, as if through water. Now, let's finish. Breathe in and open your hands out to the sides. Breathe out and gather them home, to your center. Now we open to the side. Bring your feet together. Let one arm float up overhead, while the other reaches down the opposite way. Lengthen, long and open. Then circle through and over to the other side, as if you're turning a great ball. Now let the breath lead. Breathe in as you lengthen up and over. And breathe out as you circle through to the other side. Now step one foot back. to open the line even longer and let the movement flow gently from one side to the other. Keep your breath slow and low in the belly. Feel your feet rooted and your weight sinking down. Now let's finish. Open the arms all the way up and bring them back to center. And now we come back to stillness. Jian Zhuang, once more. Rest your hands over your lower belly, your dantian, your center. Feel your own warmth there, the shoulders heavy and soft. Breathe slow and low and notice what has changed. Perhaps a little more space, a little more ease. The body knows how to let go. Sometimes it simply needs to be reminded. Stay here as long as you like. Slowly open your eyes. Come back to this whenever your back feels tight or simply to begin your day. A little movement practiced often keeps your lower back free. Subscribe for a new practice each week and see you on the mat.